The perfect pool experience is a lazy Sunday afternoon in the backyard with your family, or attending your child's water polo game, or simply relaxing at a vacation resort. Any experience that brings family and friends together.
De la plus petite vanne à la plus grande pompe, du plus petit capteur au plus avancé des robots de piscine, chaque jour nous nous efforçons d'innover dans le but de faire vibrer nos clients et de rendre l'expérience de la piscine plus simple, plus intuitive et plus agréable.
Here at Fluidra, we're trying to make the pool experience easier for everybody that's involved. IoT starts to pervade the pool market. We're able to pack more intelligence and connectivity into our products.
The goal of the quality team is a simple one. It's to improve quality and ensure the reliability of the products we supply in our services, so we can continue to increase our customer satisfaction.
Reconeixem que som una empresa global i que la nostra forma en què desenvolupem el negoci és molt important. Per això, actuem d'acord als objectius que ens hem proposat dins del nostre pla Responsibility Blueprint. Aquest pla no només ens ajuda a reduir el nostre impacte en el medi ambient, sinó que ens dona unes pautes d'actuació clares per tal de garantir que estem construint una empresa que té un impacte positiu en la societat.
Customers want access to a reliable range of products that they can confidently sell to pool owners. Coupled with this, they need a team of pool professionals that are well-trained experts in their field. We aim to provide that via our sales reps, service technicians in the field, and our team of after-sales customer support. We're about building long-term relationships with our customers, identifying opportunities to help grow their business.
Here at Fluidra, our values really guide everything that we do, from our daily interactions to our communications with the team. And particularly in HR, when we're hiring, we look to bring on people who are going to embody the Fluidra values and be part of our everyday decision making.
Durante 50 años hemos sabido adaptarnos a todos los cambios posibles. Nosotros hemos estado siempre cerca de nuestros clientes. Somos más de 7.000 personas trabajando alrededor del mundo. El futuro es brillante y estamos preparados para ello con un fantástico equipo.
Discover the perfect pool experience.
Discover Fluidra.